Hello everyone, back for another Lafufu unboxing. Labubu slash Lafufu. And this time I do have the Halloween one that I found at my local grocery store. Of course the legit one on Pop Mart is completely sold out. But they have plenty of these and I wound up getting one of the ones that I wanted because of the way the hands are positioned. So they're kind of doing the rawr sort of pose, which I'm obsessed with. So I am going to unbox this one. But yeah, this is the box. I'm going to keep the box, of course, to keep them protected from dust and crap. I don't know if this one has a name or if it's just Halloween one. Yeah, you can just open the bottom. And I'm glad that these ones were ones that I could actually see what they looked like, so that I can make sure that I get one that I want. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it's so soft. This one is so freaking soft. Okay, you guys. Oh, the pumpkin, even the pumpkin is soft. Well, there they are. Little paint defect right there, but that's fixable. I like the little twinkle in the eyes. I know it's not accurate to the legit one. This is so soft. And look at the ears. They are pointed inward. This one needs to be more shaped like that. There we go. Oh my god. And let's see. Head turns just like the others. The joint, the neck joint is very tight. It's not loose. Oh my god. Yeah, there's another little paint defect there. But I have acrylic paint, so. The teeth aren't too bad. Could be a lot worse. But oh my god. Like, I knew this looked soft in there, but oh my lord. But yeah, not to mention this one costs way less than the legit one, which is like $50 or something. I'm just like, no. I'm not paying that at all. But no, I had to because Halloween is my month. And the face could use a little adjusting too, like a little shaping. There we go. See the chin, there's not even supposed to be a chin. It's supposed to be like non-existent. That looks better. Yeah, the face shape is supposed to be kind of like that, where the teeth are barely hanging over the edge. The blush is really nice. It's not all yellowy. It's actually rosy. I like the little blushing in the middle with the freckles. So yeah, this is basically like The Secret. I forget which secret one it is. I think from the Have a Seat series. It's like that one, but with a pumpkin. So if you missed out on that one, well, here you go. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how soft this is. It smells like This is gonna sound weird. It smells like, I think it's the vinyl or something. It smells like a Halloween mask, which is interesting. It smells like a Halloween mask. That's crazy. It legit does. Like, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting to smell like a legit Halloween, not decoration, but costume piece. It's not like a toxic smell or anything, but it's just a new smell. Yeah, it's a very new type of smell. But yeah. There's a little face on there. The embroidered face looks very convincing. The little hands. The skull up here is another thing I'm gonna have to trim this down to like right there. I like the idea that it's buck teeth. That's kind of cute. But yeah, it just needs to be trimmed a little bit to like right there. It'll be fine. That also needs a little reshaping. There we go. But yeah, that is my Halloween Lafufu. I'm obsessed. Like, even though these aren't legit, I'm still obsessed. And it's Halloween. So, I mean, I understand people saying, like, oh, you shouldn't buy these because you're not supporting the original artist and stuff like that. They're fine. Pop Mart is fine. Theirs are just selling out. Bam, 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 just selling like crazy. So, these are just the options for those of us who continue to miss out because they can't keep the OG ones in stock for more than 2 seconds. So now, I have Now I have 5. And there they all are. All my Lafufus. This one's incredibly soft. And I did wind up doing I messed this eye up. Trying to do the glitter, but I did actually manage to put glitter in there. Give that a little shine. Yeah, this eye. This eye, I didn't exactly know how to do it. So, like, I put a bunch of nail polish all over the back, like glitter nail polish. And of course that wasn't showing through, so then I took like a sewing needle and I scratched off some little areas on the inside of the actual paint so that the glitter would show through, and it kind of seeped into the paint and caused it to come up a little bit. But then this one, I took the eye out and I scratched off little bits beforehand, and then I painted over it. Oh, there you go. There's that sparkle. Yeah, I really wanted the sparkle in the eyes, so that's what I did. Trial and error, but it got the job done. Now there's sparkle in the eye. But yeah, I can see how the blush on some of these is very orangey, but this one, nope, it's very rosy. very, very rosy. But these guys are just super fun. I highly, highly enjoy collecting them. They're just super fun. Yeah, and this one is my second one with the emblem. I kind of like that it's like a separate plastic thing in there. And it's like see-through. That's kind of fun. Yeah, this one was my first one like that. Yeah, if you get these little things will have to be super glued in because they do pop out. They do like to come out occasionally. Let me see if I can get it to come out. Well, it doesn't want to right now. But yeah, they can in fact pop out, and so I would highly recommend taking them out, putting a little super glue back there, smacking them back in there, and then they will be permanent. So, yep, there is all of them. So I have 2 crazy macarons. So I have soy milk and green grape. I have QQ from Have a Seat. And I have Serenity, who I renamed Lucky. And then I have the Halloween one. Yay. They're just so fun. So fun. They're so soft. They're fun to collect, I will say. Very, very fun to collect. And there's so many different kinds. There's so many different ones. But there we have it. So anyhow, thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.